Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Advanced Project Management. This lesson on cost management and quality management will cover cost estimating. Estimate costs is the process of creating a close approximation of the resources required to complete project tasks. The primary benefit of this iterative process lies in its ability to pinpoint the monetary resources necessary for the project's successful execution. Cost estimation is performed periodically throughout the project, ensuring accuracy and relevance. Cost estimation encompasses all resources that will be allocated to the project, covering a broad spectrum, including labor, materials, equipment, services, and facilities. Additionally, it may encompass specialized categories such as allowances for inflation, financing costs, or contingency expenses. These cost estimates can be presented at the activity level or in a summarized format, offering flexibility to adapt to the project's needs and complexities. Cost estimates, budgets, work breakdown structures, WBSs, and schedules are interconnected concepts. Ideally, cost estimates derive from elements within the WBS and are formulated at the work package level. In cases where the cost estimation of a work task proves too intricate, the task is further subdivided until a reasonable estimate can be made. When uncertainties about the work impede cost estimation, the initial estimate relies on judgment and is subsequently adjusted as more information becomes available. There is a two-way relationship between project schedules and cost estimations. Project schedules dictate resource requirements, and the rate of expenditure constraints on resources and working capital dictate project schedules. Imposing practical constraints on costs is imperative to establish realistic project budgets. Failing to do so results in projects that are prematurely terminated for lack of funds or are completed at an exorbitant expense. Both occurrences are relatively commonplace. While cost estimating, budgeting, and cost control are sometimes perceived as exclusive concerns of planners and accountants, they should be considerations for everyone involved in projects. Those with the most profound understanding of the work, such as engineers, scientists, systems specialists, architects, and others closest to the sources of costs, should actively participate in the estimating and budgeting process. Project managers also play a crucial role, and even though they aren't required to be financial experts to contribute to the estimating and budgeting process, they only require skills in organizing and utilizing cost figures. The project manager oversees the entire cost estimating and budgeting process, often with the support of a staff cost accountant. The cost engineer evaluates deliverables, their requirements, specifications, and control methods, offering insights from both cost and technical perspectives. Additionally, they provide valuable cost and technical advice to the project manager, ensuring a comprehensive approach to project management. The initial cost estimate determines a project's financial destiny. When project costs are overestimated, the risk of losing to a lower bidding competitor looms. On the other hand, underestimating costs can lead to winning a contract with a bid that, in reality, falls short. Cost estimates serve as the foundation for developing budgets and as a benchmark against project performance. As the project commences, the actual cost expenditure rate is compared to the estimated expenditure rate outlined in the budget, providing a crucial metric for evaluating project work performance. Enterprise environmental factors play a crucial role in influencing the estimate cost process. Some key factors include market conditions, describing the products, services, and results available in the market, along with details about suppliers, terms, and conditions. Published commercial information. Commercial databases offer valuable resource cost, rate information, tracking skills, human resource costs, and standard costs for materials and equipment. Exchange rates and inflation. Understanding and incorporating currency fluctuations and inflation rates into the estimate cost process is crucial for extensive projects spanning multiple years and involving numerous currencies. Organizational process assets are internal elements that can influence the estimate cost process. These assets encompass cost estimating policies, the established policies within the organization that govern the principles and guidelines for cost estimation activities. Cost estimating templates, standardized templates that provide a structured framework for conducting cost estimations, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Historical information and lessons. Learned repository, a repository containing historical data and lessons learned from past projects, enabling the utilization of insights and best practices in the estimation process. These organizational process assets contribute to the effectiveness and efficiency of the estimate cost process by providing structured guidelines, templates, and insights derived from the organization's historical experiences. Cost estimates, the primary result of the estimate cost process, encompass quantitative evaluations of the anticipated costs needed for project completion. These estimates include contingency amounts to address identified risks and management reserves to accommodate unplanned work. Cost estimates can be presented either in summary form or in detail, covering all resources applied to the forecast, such as direct costs, includes direct labor, materials, equipment, services, facilities, information technology, and specific categories like financing costs, inflation allowances, exchange rates, or cost contingency reserves. Indirect costs, if included in the project estimate, these can be presented at the activity level or aggregated at higher levels. The cost estimates are a crucial reference for project planning and control, providing a foundation for decision-making and resource allocation throughout the project lifecycle. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall be discussing determining budget and controlling costs. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.